Let's get your news coming in from Uttar Pradesh, where another SP Neta is under glare over rape allegations. SP leader Nawab Singh has been booked for attempted child rape. SP's Nawab Singh is now in custody, has been arrested. The survivor, a minor, has been sent for medical examination. Shocking details emerging really of this rape bid that's been reported in Kannauj, where an SP leader is the main accused and has been arrested. Let's get your first reactions coming in.
सूचना का तत्काल संज्ञान लेते हुए थाना पुलिस और पीआरबी मौके पे पहुंची थी, जहां पे लड़की को बरामद किया गया और आपत्तिजनक हालत में अभियुक्त नवाब सिंह को भी हिरासत में लिया गया। इसमें तहरीर के आधार पर सुसंगत धाराओं में भारतीय न्याय संहिता और पॉक्सो एक्ट में मुकदमा पंजीकृत किया गया है। इसमें अभियुक्त को गिरफ्तार कर लिया गया है और विधिक कार्रवाई की जा रही है। इसने बताया है कि नौकरी के नाम पे ये लड़की और इसकी बुआ इसको लेके वहाँ पे कॉलेज में गए थे। उसके बाद इस प्रकार की घटना हुई है।
नवाब सिंह यादव कोई समाजवादी पार्टी का छुटभैया नेता नहीं है। समाजवादी पार्टी से ब्लॉक प्रमुख रहा है और डिंपल यादव का सांसद प्रतिनिधि रहा है। पहले अयोध्या के मोहित खान और अब कन्नौज में समाजवादी पार्टी का नवाब सिंह यादव। ये समाजवादी पार्टी का चरित्र है, जिसमें लड़के हैं, लड़कों से गलतियां हो जाती हैं, ये कहकर के पर्दा डालने का काम किया जाता था। लेकिन आज उत्तर प्रदेश में योगी आदित्यनाथ जी की सरकार है। ऐसे घृणित अपराध करने वालों की कठोरता से कार्रवाई होगी।
Samarth Srivastava is joining us with more details on this. Samarth, after what happened in Ayodhya, now in Kannauj, an SP leader under the scanner for an attempted rape of a minor girl. What are the details you've been able to pick up? This SP leader is allegedly a close aide also of Dimple Yadav.
Well, Akshita, he's the former block pramukh in the Kannauj. He's the former block chief, and his name is Nawab Singh Yadav. And as per the details, he has been a close associate during the times when Dimple Yadav was fighting elections in that particular year. But it's also worth seeing that as per the police, he, in a way, trying to lure a minor girl for the job. He invited the girl, and that's what the complaint of the police and the FIR of the police say. But as now BJP is targeting and taking on the Samajwadi Party, that earlier it was the Mohit Khan in Ayodhya, and now this time it's Kannauj. He has been a member of Samajwadi Party as per the BJP, but the Samajwadi Party leader Uday Singh says that he has been a close associate of BJP MP Subrat Pathak. So police have to find the investigation who has been the close associate of this particular accused. But it's worth seeing that he has been associated with the Samajwadi Party for the most of his political career so far. Though we saw the visuals, there are a lot of people gathered at the Kannauj police station after the arrest. As for the video and as for the police, it's going to be a case where he tried to rape that particular minor girl. A POSCO act has already been initiated in that particular FIR, and we can expect much charges against that particular SP leader. Though Samajwadi Party is denying any such claim, and even saying that he has not been any active member and not being associated with Dimple Yadav, but BJP is keen on this particular issue and clearly taking on the Samajwadi Party and even questioning the Mulayam Singh Yadav remark of ladke hain galti ho jati hai in that particular same place, because we saw around 2 weeks before Mohit Khan of Samajwadi Party leader was involved in the gang rape case, and now this case has come to light where such allegations have come yet again. Though SP is on the same front and SP is on denying mode, Uday Singh, the Samajwadi Party leader,
even away from the politics, the kind of details emerging in this case, absolutely shocking. And the accused, an SP Neta right now, clearly believed he'd get away with it simply because of the kind of power influence that he yields and wields essentially in Kannauj. We'll track the latest on this. Thanks, Samarth, for getting us those details.